Okay, dokie. We reloaded. All right, so Jumpp logistics. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. No long talk, no long intros. With these videos going forward here, I'm going to talk about this great company that does last mile logistics and on demand work, meaning that you will have some over the road work and you will have some local work. Last mile is usually, from the warehouse to the people's doorstep. And on demand is, whatever they got to get delivered right now, you got to accept it and get it going. So a great company to work with. The last mile can get you like some contracts, some, more consistent work. The on demand is more like gig work where you can, you know, like the apps and stuff. So here are the locations that they work with. You see all this in blue is the places they operate, and these orange dots is kind of the main hubs they're around. You see Atlanta and Charlotte areas and things of that nature. Texas, they're real big out there. And you see the markets: Texas, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Illinois, Iowa, Colorado. So no West Coast, nothing past Utah, Texas area, sorry, West Coast, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, nothing up in there as well. So appreciate you watching the video. Go ahead and hit the like button, share this with anybody that's in that area, and drop a comment down below with your city. If you don't see your city on this map, drop a comment down below where you are. See if I can help you out, find some work. But let's get into it. We want to be drivers. On these websites, we always come down to the bottom to find these driver positions. And Jumpp Logistics is no different. Driving with Jumpp is a great way to earn extra income, set up your own schedule, boss up, boss up, boss up. Whether you're a delivery professional, someone looking for additional work, we have exciting opportunities for you. Full-time, part-time, and on-demand work. Like I said, independent contractor. Get started. And you can order some apparel. Okay. Why Jumpp? Earn extra income, receive deliveries quickly, choose your own hours. No picking up cranky passengers, no delivering food, driving your own schedule. Requirements need the L's, good driver record, insurance, and smartphone. So also information here, I don't see type of vehicles they're requiring. Oh, here they go. Type of vehicles: cars, minivans, SUV, pickup trucks, cargo vans. So it's like you are providing your own vehicle. They may have vehicles that they provide, but for the bulk of their hiring, they're looking for people with their own vehicles. How did you hear about Jumpp? When do you want to start? Where do you plan on driving? I got Albany, Georgia, Atlanta. So I got all the cities. Pretty sure you guys can't see these drop down. These drop downs never show up in the video, but like I said, they got Washington, D.C., Wichita Falls, Waco, Texas. So all the places I said before, they got the specific cities here. You fill all that out when becoming a driver. And they got the phone numbers here. And let's see if we can find some contact information. Oh, there you go, contact us. And there's an email as well. So we got address where they are. We got all the cities where they are. Email addresses. So we got all the pertinent contact information for you guys. Let's go ahead and hit them up, sign up on the website, shoot them an email, and give them a phone call, because we let them know that we're serious about getting started. And just ask them, what are you hiring for? I got this car. If they say, we're looking for more box trucks or Sprinter vans, just so then ask, what type of routes, what type of pay is for the Sprinter vans, and see if it's even worth it for you to possibly rent a truck, rent a van, or possibly go ahead and purchase you one. Or you can become a business credit mentor of mine and get a cargo van just like I did in your business name. No down payment, no personal credit check. Everything is through my business. No personal credit check and no down payment. Everything was through my business. Once I built up my business credit, I do have business credit building videos on this channel. I have 2, matter of fact. But like I said, if you want a consultation, it's $50 consultation for an hour of your time. I give you all the sauce you need to get you that van, or you can join my mentorship program, which is a little bit more. But everything just go through creditkay.com, and we'll get that rolling. All right, but that's Jumpp Logistics. Appreciate you staying around to the end of this video. For doing so, I want to invite you out to my free Facebook group where we talk about gig economy jobs, side hustles, vans, cargo vans, over the road work, in local work, side hustles, like anything related to getting money. We're about that in the Boss Up Side Hustle group on Facebook. Link down in the description for that. We'll go ahead and check that out. All right. Keep this video short and sweet, but that's Jumpp Logistics. You see where they are in pretty much 3/4 of the whole country. So a lot of you guys should take advantage of this. If it's not, then share it with somebody who is. And like I said, they're looking for all types of vehicles, cars, all the way up to the box straight trucks and everything in between. Let's go. Boss up, boss up, boss up.